A Look at Magnets by Barbara Alpert. And so we'll learn about magnets today, and then we'll do a few experiments with them. And this is a non-fiction book. It is true. Here's the table of contents. First, we're going to learn about what is a magnet. What is a magnet? What makes a paperclip jump? A magnet. Magnets are made of iron, nickel, or steel. Look what happens. All those paper clips stick to that strong magnet. Magnets make some metal objects move, but magnets don't work on all metals. Can a magnet move an aluminum soda can? A copper penny? We'll check it out. My pages are sticking together. There we go. How magnets work. An invisible area called a magnetic field surrounds a magnet. Iron filings show the magnet's lines of energy. If you have those, that would be really cool for you to do as an experiment too, but I don't have any of those either. There might be some somewhere at school, but I didn't find them. A magnet's pull is strongest at the spots with the most filings. These areas are called a magnet's poles. One end is north and the other is south. N stands for north, S stands for south. See how many are attracted there? Try to make the north poles of two magnets touch. They will push away or repel each other, but opposite poles pull together or attract. We'll try something like that a little later. Earth acts like a huge magnet. It has a north pole and a south pole. Magnets at work. Magnets show people where to go. A compass needle always points north. Earth's magnetic energy pulls it that way. So if you have a compass, the arrow will always point north. Magnets help doctors see where you are hurt. An MRI machine's powerful magnet helps make a picture of the inside of your body. That is cool. Magnets hold up pictures on a refrigerator. Credit cards use magnets to pay for what you buy. Magnets are at work wherever you look. Is your fridge an art gallery? So do you hang up things on there? And that is the end. If you would like to learn more or go to some internet sites, here's where you can go. You can pause the video there so you can write that down. And now we're going to do some experiments. And remember on Monday I told you about a book I have. It's called 365 Science Activities. I did find it in my basement. It was hiding down there. And so this is the book that we are using the experiments out of. So first thing we're going to try is called a paperclip dangle. And we have this big magnet from at school. And I am going to push this down a little bit so you can see a little bit better. And now we are going to see if we can hang. Do you see the paperclip hanging on there? Can we do another one? Another one hangs on there. So now we have two. Oh, I don't know. Are we going to get three? Some magnets can do more. Ooh. That one wants to stick straight. There we go. Okay, let's see if this one will do any better. So now we have two. Will we get three over here? Nope. I have another magnet that is kind of strong. Maybe it is stronger than that one. So this one I found in my desk drawer, and even though it is small, I think it might be kind of strong. Let's see. Ooh, it wants to make it stick like that and not just straight down. So let's see if we can get it to work. Ooh, now we have 2. Can we get this one to do 3? I don't have a very strong magnet, do I? So if you get a stronger magnet, you can get it to hang many paper clips going down. But the further down or away it gets from the magnet, the less pull it has. Okay, so now let's see if we could hang other things on there. I have a couple of safety pins. Let's see. So we have 1 there. Can I do 2? Ooh, I have another one back here. Let's see if we can do 3. I don't think so. I think 2 is all we're gonna get. Maybe let's see if we could try some pins. I have some pins. Ooh, I wonder if that's gonna work. It is a little bit attracted, but not a lot. Well, should we try the push pins? Ooh, that works. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, it doesn't want to be separate. They all want to be attached. I don't know if they're going to hook on like that. I don't think so. Okay, well, maybe you have a stronger magnet and it can do more than 2 paper clips. So I hope yours can. Now, it says metal tower. So, since this one is flat, I am going to use that for my tower to see how high I can go. See, that sticks. This one pulls on there too. 3, 4. I just went and raided my husband's tool shelf there and saw what I could find. These are different. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know if that's going to stay on. Nope, that one won't stay on. Will this one stay on? Ooh. That one will stay on. So that's number 6. Number 6 is a little bit tippy. So let's see when we get number 7 on there. Will number 7 stay on? No, number 7 doesn't stay on. So 6 works really well for me, and that paper clip sticks to it too. I wonder if it would be any better or worse with this, but it will be a little tricky. So let's see if I can do that. 1, 2. That doesn't stay very well. Let's see if we can do 3. See? I think this magnet is stronger than this magnet. Okay, so I can do 6. I wonder if you have a magnet that's a little bit stronger that you could do more. Okay, now we want to see how strong it is. And we're going to put 1 on the table right there. See it? Right here. I have a whole bunch of metal things. We're going to test those in a few minutes. Okay, now let's see. Will it attract? Yes, it pulled it. Now, let's see if it does the same thing from the other end. Because remember, there's a north pole and a south pole. It does. It goes to both ends. Maybe to the side. Yep. And it is a little ways away before it pulls. There we go. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now, it says to use a glass of water. So I have a glass of water here, and I dropped in a paper clip, just like it says. And now let's see if we can see if it moves through. Oh, it does. It follows the magnet. I bet it's hard for you to see. Now they're all sticking to there, see? Kind of like in that picture in the book, they all stick. Yes. Okay, now I want you, can you see it in there? I don't know. Watch it go. See, now you can see it go up out of the water and now down. And it will go around with the magnet. See that? Isn't that cool? I bet it would do the same thing with this other magnet too. Do you think so? Ah, yes. See, it brings it right out of the water. And then it'll move right around with it. Or back. Perfect. And then it falls back in. That is cool. I'm impressed that magnets work through water. Okay, now we're on to the next page, and it says a table trick. We want to put a bolt inside a cardboard box. My cardboard box is kind of tall, so I'm going to use the lid so that you can see in there. And I am supposed to put a bolt in there, and we are going to see if a little bolt works just as well as a big bolt. So I have two sizes of bolts. So I'm going to put one in there, and I'll try this magnet. This magnet doesn't seem to be doing anything to that, does it? Oh, now that if it's really close, then it'll pull it. But it has to be like right next to it. It doesn't. Can you see in there? I don't think you can. Oh, that's unfortunate. Let me see if I can move this a little bit so you can see better in there. Okay, now watch. Do you see it moving? Can you see it moving? Yeah, isn't that cool? Okay, even when it's a little way away, it will move. Now, let's try it with the bigger bolt. I wonder if it'll move a big bolt too. That's not moving at all when it's right there. When it's right next to the side, then it moves it. Do you see that? But it has to be right next to the side. Maybe it will move it closer if it's like this. No? Nope. What do you think about this one? Do you think this one will work better? See, it slides it when it's going this way. Do you see it wobbling in there? Yeah. Wobbles a little bit from the magnet. Okay, that was cool. Now, if you have a stronger magnet, it would probably work even better. Okay, look here. I have so many things here. We're going to see what attracts and what does not. Oh, do you see those pins don't attract? This attracted. Did the top of the pop can does not. Oh, that attracts. Let's take these things off and see what else attracts. Ooh, we have safety pins and a bobby pin. Ooh, a jingle bell. And a brass, not a brass fastener, but this is like a thing that hooks the class books together. A ring. And then that bolt attaches. Ooh, push pin. It's moving the nail, but it's not quite attracting. I think we have too many things on there. We're going to take these off and see what else attracts. What if we go over here on the penny? Oh, the penny doesn't attract. Oh, but that does. The nails like it. And wow. Let's see if we can get that to hang. Yeah, So cool. Okay, now we have a few more things. Let's see what else attracts over here. Now, these are magnets over here. Yep. And so we're going to take those off. Let's check out the aluminum foil. Doesn't do anything, does it? And those pop can lids don't either. What about that? That attracts. And that attracts. Take those off. Not the pin. So I'm going to put the few things that it doesn't attract to over here. We said it doesn't attract the pennies. And it does those and the pin. So we have a lot of things that it attracts to. But it does not like aluminum foil, pennies, pins, and pop can tops. And what about this? Yep, so that's the magnet. If it's on the other side, oh, it sticks that side too. So it does stick to a lot of things. Should we see how many things we can get stuck to there at the same time? Will anything else stick to it? We have quite a few things now, don't we? I wonder if we put this other magnet on there, over here. These are all sticking. Oh, check that out. How cool is that? It holds a lot of things. So, have fun with magnets at home. Oh, there's one more thing. We can make a magnet. Okay, so what I'm supposed to do is take a nail that's attracted to a magnet. So this nail was attracted. And I want to tape it onto a piece of paper. And then I want to rub the magnet on it 10 times in the same direction. Might be easier with this one, if I can get all the things off of it. There we go. So, 10 times in one direction. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, remove the tape. And then we're supposed to put it over the paper clips. So let's see what happens. I think I would need to use a stronger magnet, huh? We can try it one more time. So maybe an end. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, mine did not work. It could be because my magnet isn't strong enough. Why don't you try that at home and see if you can make something else into a magnet also? Have fun with the magnets.